everyone, welcome back to my channel Ritu Joshi. So today I am going to discuss very interesting topic related to the FSSAI. I guess all the viewers who are watching my video have heard this word FSSAI. So today I am going to discuss in this topic. Okay, FSSAI is stand for Food Security Standard Authority of India. It is taken by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare under the Act Food Security Standard Act 2006. The main motto of this FSSAI is to promote and protect people from all the food insecurity and related to promote the food security of India. Now I am going to discuss about the license. There are three types of license which is very important for the food business. Number one is basic license. This license is very important for all the manufacturers to starting their business in food. The manufacturer which have the annual budget related to less than 12 lakh is known as the basic license in this manufacturer business. Okay, after that the state license. State license is very important for all the business to operate their business in all India or in all the countries, and the annual budget of this state license have more than 12 lakh to the 1 crore. After that the central license. This license is very important for all the manufacturers whose annual budget is about 24 crore or more than it. So this is very important. All these licenses are very important to start the food business. Now the role of human. All the human have a right to join with FSSAI for their food security, and we all have to promote this FSSAI and can gain all the important necessary information related to the food security and the food department. Headquarters of FSSAI is situated at New Delhi, and the sign of FSSAI have 14 digits written on the packages. So I have completed my video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel to get more information related to any topic.